So we made it to Yosemite. We got here pretty late last night, around 11:30, so we just kind of slept in a bit. It's around 9. Looking forward to seeing some of Yosemite. We're gonna go get breakfast now and then just kind of have a relaxing day, I think, going to different spots. But I'm still sort of getting over yesterday. Yesterday was incredible. Probably one of the best days of the trip so far. Seeing humpback whales was just incredible, and so close to the boat was just crazy as well. And all of Monterey as well was really nice. The aquarium was good. It just sucks that traffic leaving Monterey for Yosemite was so bad. Originally, I think it was only supposed to be about a 2.5 hour drive. That soon turned into a 6.5 hour drive. So that wasn't the best, hence why we got here so late. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing a bit of Yosemite. We're here for all of today and tomorrow morning as well. So it's going to be really, really good, I think.
Rainbow Lake, Ollie Lake, because we do not have tickets to Yosemite after driving here for 5 hours. We need tickets to get in between 8 and 4 p.m. So we're going to go tomorrow at 4:30 before the park opens at 5. So we'll get in for free and we'll enjoy a sunrise and hopefully a sighting of a black bear.
Yes.
But for now, Rainbow Lake, a cool swim, and then off to a waterfall hike, which would be very nice.
We've set up Ollie with
got our camera with us. The village idiot.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice little spot we found here. Rainbow Lake it's called. We've just spent like an hour or two here just milling about, going for a bit of a swim. I think now we're going to go on some sort of a hike. Don't really know what hike we're going to do as we can't go into Yosemite, but we'll just look online, I guess, see what we can find. And yeah, just a pretty easy, relaxing day. All right, we found a cool little hiking spot. We're going to do a little bit of a hike, and then apparently there's a lake at the end of this. So we might go swimming again, but just sort of taking in the scenery a bit. It's very different to anywhere else we've been. It's mainly been desert so far. The closest this is to, in comparison to where we've been, is Colorado. That's Max. Here to the hike, and this is what we found. It's like a waterfall. You got like sections like this that you can sit in, and it all leads down to one big old pool down there. It's very refreshing after a big old hike. So it's been a pretty good day so far. We've essentially spent the whole day just hiking and swimming, swimming in 2 different locations. But of course, because of all of that, we are now hungry. And we saw a pizza place not far from the RV park, so we're probably going to go ahead and go there. It's like 4 p.m, but who cares? When you're hungry, you eat. Then tomorrow, I think the plan is to head to Yosemite really early in the morning. We're talking like 4:30, so we can get a nice sunrise in the national park, and then we are heading over to Lake Tahoe in Nevada. So yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow.
We're emptying the poop chute.
Okay, Hayden, go for it.
This is Joe and Hayden's poo.
No, this is mine and Max.
Oh, oh, it's spilling over.
Oh, and it goes brown. Do we see nuggets of it? It's so brown.
Oh, it's getting heavy. Oh,
there's a few chunks.
I think we've got a few birds stuck in the...
Oh, no.
Oh. Oh, they lift up that bit. So while they empty the poos, I'm just admiring the fact that this RV has gone 2,000 miles and all the dead bugs on it. Look at all of those dead bugs. The amount of bug lives, this is like a bug holocaust. This is actually insane. Okay, it's currently 4:10 in the morning. We're going over to Yosemite. I think I've explained this, but the reason why we're going to Yosemite this early was two reasons mainly. The first one is you have to have a time of day pass to get into Yosemite between the hours of 5 a.m. and 4 p.m. So we have to go to Yosemite outside of those hours. We were warned about this at Arches National Park, but I think we were just doing so much that we kind of forgot about that. And also, we want to see a sunrise there, so that's the other reason why we're going so early. But it's about an hour to the place we're going, which is Yosemite Falls, but I believe we cross into the park in about half an hour or so.
Is that okay?
We're just trying to find it here, but if you've got a map, that'd be great.
So you guys are right here?
Yeah.
And then you are gonna go...
Okay, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
So we're currently going to Yosemite Valley Lodge.
Which is straight.
We don't have any signal, so we've had to get off of a map, old school style. I'm not very good at it. We went to a car park originally, got told no. We had a big old queue behind us and we had to do like a 9 million point turn. Tried to find this place, which we are now situated. Lovely little view. I don't know what the hike is that we're doing, but I don't think it's too strenuous, which is good. And then we've got a 4-hour drive to Lake Tahoe, but we're looking to get there probably about 5-6ish. Although both of our drivers are very tired because of the 3 a.m. wake up.
So we've made it to South Lake Tahoe. We're about to cross back into Nevada after being in California for like too many days. Then we're going to go up to Reno, which is where we're going to be spending the night. But on the way there, we are going to be taking a little bit of a dip in Lake Tahoe at Sand Harbor.
Max has got his headphones on because he wants to watch The Simpsons. Joe's using my phone for directions, and Hayden is, well, there's his legs. So, brain rot.
Alright, so we're just pulling up to Lake Tahoe. I know me and Hayden are going in. I don't know about the others. You going in?
I am.
The sun is setting quite drastically, so we're trying to get down there before the sun sets. But we've been up for a long ass time today, so this is going to be a nice final hurrah to the end of the day. And then I think we got another half an hour to 45 minutes towards the RV park where we're staying. We're staying in Reno this evening, and then tomorrow we go along. Do excuse the hair, I've just had a shower, but we've made it to Reno. The drive from Yosemite up to Reno took a lot longer than anticipated. I think it was around 6 hours when at first we originally anticipated it being around 3 to 4 hours, but it was pretty good. We stopped off at South Lake Tahoe, got some barbecue there, and then got some pretty good views of Lake Tahoe. We did really want to go swimming in Lake Tahoe, but we just couldn't find anywhere to put the RV. Everywhere was either closed or you couldn't park there. It was resident parking. It was just a nightmare to try and find somewhere to put the RV. But we got some pretty good views of Lake Tahoe, not only down by the shore, but also up in the mountains as well. It was really cool. We got to see the sunset there. And then we headed over the mountains into Reno, which is where we are now. We have one night here in Reno, and then we will continue our drive on in tomorrow morning.